I'm going to show you how to make this simple nut for what I call nut basket. It is a small one and this is how we do the nut. This is a simple one. You simply put it like this, see here, like this. Put them together, and you see this loop here, we keep it down there, and we start wrapping it around it here. Very tight. And see, do it very tight. I have to do it with my right hand because I'm right-handed. And just do as many as you like. This would be perfect for a small nut basket. And when I have done this, I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 because my thread is a thick one. And then I just simply put this here through the loop. I have to keep this steady. Through the loop, all the way, and then I pull the top one up, all the way up, like this. Now you have a simple nut.